High Plains prospectors here. Terp,
Mason.
we'll call him Little Pain.
Yep.
We are taking him out to a place near Bonner Springs, Kansas to go on his first real metal detecting hunt. And if I remember correctly, this area used to be an older establishment. I know that there's a lake there that we have found some old photographs of people swimming. So there's some swim holes out there, old houses and structures and whatnot. I know Drew, one of our fellow metal detectorists, has found some stuff out there. So come along with us and we'll see if we can find some cool stuff. Yeah.
So I haven't done this field yet. It used to be an old baseball field, 50s or so. There's pictures of it.
Oh yeah, there might be some dropped coinage out there.
Some. I don't know where the bleachers were.
If there's baseball people.
Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be trash. There's gonna be pull tabs, stuff like that.
Is that your stallion right there?
Yeah. Yeah, I so.
What am I supposed to say?
You're gonna have to ride on top. Yeah.
You said you wanted to ride on back, right?
Yep.
You can set up here.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll make it. Yeah, so I mean, this was established, what time, when did you think, roughly?
I think it's 1915. I think we just passed the sign that said it, but
1915? Oh, wow.
because that's where the Mercury dime was.
You found a Mercury and a Barber out here?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah. It was right in that park. And I haven't done all of it. I don't know. It's like the Kansas camp area for like the whole region or something.
Mason wants some screen time.
Hi.
Are you excited about trying to find some treasure?
Yeah.
He found 2 silver dimes here.
Yeah.
Three. That's what Roosevelt did. 54.
How old's the oldest one that you found?
Dime?
Yeah.
Gonna be that 1940 or 44. Mercury.
Is that an old road going up there?
Yeah.
You see how it's terraced, kind of?
Yeah, I've noticed that before, and I do want to get back there at some point.
Yeah, I'll bet you they probably logged it or something way back in the day. Or
You know,
quarry. Could be quarry, too.
Well, there's cereal.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I see. Are they pumping it up into
Yeah.
like just a holding pond type thing? Look at that dredge. Oh, yeah. They use this thing to
It dries out.
yeah. Can't get in there. They use that to dredge out the bottom of this thing to get the silt and the sediments and stuff out, and then they pump it up the hill.
Take it out. There's that point over. That's where I think the bridge was.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah. So like right here was everybody was on their towels, and then over there as well with people in the water there.
So this is where you think the swim, like the...
No, this is that picture was taken right there on the shore near one of those trees, looking that way towards the blue house now.
So all these houses are from early 1900s.
Very early.
1910, I think, was the oldest one.
Yeah, there's definitely here's the flag.
1910.
I imagine that people would throw coins down in there.
Yeah.
So at some point, I would like to get down there.
Where do you want to start today?
That's your call. We got options.
All right. This is where we're going to start. I think there was a lot of congregation. Hi, Mason. Good to see you. a lot of people congregated here back in the day. So this is where we're going to start. There's some cool steps up that way. They're just made of stone. I'm going to go check those out here in a little bit. All right, so let's see what everybody's metal detecting with here today. Drew, what do you got?
Equinox 800.
You like that? You like that metal detector?
Yeah, works really well, real quick.
I haven't used it yet. Are you using headphones or not?
I do, but
I might want to listen to it a little bit. And if you find some stuff, kind of let me know what you got.
Sure.
What do you got here? Ace 300.
300.
You've metal detected with that one before, haven't you?
Yep.
In the backyard?
2 times.
Almost found some silver that day, didn't you?
1965.
Close. 1 year
2 of
off.
them.
Oof.
And then I got the Garrett AT Pro, which is always my go-to metal detector.
Nice.
All right, we're going to get out here and hit this little park area and see if we can find some silver. All right, you remember what's going on here, don't you?
Yep.
You want to, if it pops up over here, likelihood, but it's a coin. And then remember, look at your number that pops up here too. after a while you'll start getting used to. Yeah, it's got that pretty much. It's gonna hit on that big old flat surface. So anything really over here, if you see this little icon pop up over here, just kind of ignore it, okay? Because it's probably foil or iron. Really, the higher the better, but don't be afraid to dig these ones up over here that say pull tab, because that's about the same where a gold ring will ring up.
Okay.
All right. And then you got your Propointer here on your side. Remember, once you dig, you can use that. To try
Also,
to
there are.
What's it say?
60.
Bouncing around a little bit. So it's like nickel-ish pull tab sounding. It's bouncing around a little bit on the Ace 300. So I brought the 18 Pro over here to kind of see what it is. I'm getting a pretty consistent 64, but it's a consistent signal. It could be a pull tab, but it also could be a ring, so we figured we better dig it. Right there. Dig a plug around it. Circle, there you go. I don't think it's too deep. I think it's about 4 inches or so down. All right, go ahead and pop that plug up out of there. See if we got anything.
Did you bring your little ring? Yeah. I did too.
There it is. What? Pull tab. That's okay. You got to dig those if you want to find some golden rings, especially the small gold rings. Not bad find.
Yep.
Oh, really? Let me see what I got here.
99.
All right, let me check it out. Could be aluminum. Yeah, it's bouncing. Huh. $81, but it's pretty consistent. You know, my depth wasn't really reading too well for some reason. I'm not really sure. The only thing that kind of concerned me was it wasn't giving me a depth. Yep. It's not old. Penny. It's a copper penny.
What year? It's like 1960 something. 1960 something. So I saw it was a 6.
63, yeah. It's kind of a cool old staircase on the National Register of Historic Places, so probably shouldn't metal detect too close to that. Mason over there metal detecting, he's getting the hang of it. Find anything? Get any good signals? No, not yet. Alright, gotta keep at it.
Right
Run your detector over. Just run your detector over at normal. And probably
Right
bouncing around a whole lot. Yeah, right.
The value is already only 25 cents.
Right.
Give me it.
You have one on your waist.
Oh, yeah.
Look in here. See what I...
Yeah, it's foil.
Oh, it's fine, yeah.
I see it.
It's bright.
It sounded so pretty too, didn't it? Now run your detector over and make
Yeah,
sure
now
got
double
it.
check your hole with your metal detector. Probably not with that.
Yeah.
Pick that up and run it back over it. Make sure that was it.
Your detector.
Yep, that was it. All right, we moved over here to this little park. Mason's hollering at me, telling me he found something. This is where Drew has found some silver before. So, let's see if Mason gets lucky on this one. It's kind of bouncing a little bit, but might as well dig it, right? Let me see what I got on the AC Pro.
There's a worm in there.
You don't want to touch it?
No.
You afraid of worms?
I don't want to touch a worm. At all. I think we misdigged it. Is it new or old? Looks like old.
Check it out. Looks new to me.
No, it's old because it has no
Is it copper?
chips. It is, there's the head side.
It's a little newer. You can tell by how shiny it is.
Can't tell. Probably like 2000 maybe?
Yeah, it's newer. It's alright. You found it though. It's good.
1997.
Yeah, that's when I graduated high school. I mean, it's not anything real valuable, but it's kind of cool. At first, I just thought it was like a, yeah, it's like a button, but it's kind of a, like a naval kind of looking button.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So probably like, you know, out here.
Off a peak coat or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's kind of neat.
that is actually really cool.
I don't think it's super old, but
Oh no,
still pretty cool.
it's very cool. Actually, it's nice because it's got that. It's still got the markings on
It rang really consistent. I thought it was a nickel, and I was like, well, I'll dig it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. 65. What's up, dude?
Yeah, it's dime. It's a modern dime.
All right, Mason and I are over here in this park, and we've dug a few coins. Nothing silver yet, but finding some good old pull
Pretty
tabs.
close, 1967.
67
And
quarter
I got a 1963
copper penny.
penny.
And you can see this is old playground equipment, like a metal slide. You don't see those anymore. It's one you get hurt on. It's a Widowmaker. But I'm pretty convinced if we stick it at it long enough, we're going to find something silver in this little playground area. All right, Mason has a good signal here on his metal detector, showing a consistent 91, 92. And then I put the AC Pro on it. I'm getting a solid 90, 91. So we're going to dig this up.
Let me see what this brings up real quick.
Okay. So about right there. And then Drew's going to see what it comes up with. Pretty consistent.
31, 32.
What's it tell you that is? Quarter? Modern quarter maybe?
Might be a silver quarter.
Right there.
I'm thinking.
Yep. Go back just a little bit. Maybe a little closer. Right there. Dig around it.
Might be a.
A little hard under there, isn't it?
Could be a bottom of a.
It could be, but it wasn't bouncing that much though.
Not too terribly much.
That was kind of hard. You
Yeah.
got a little one
Yeah, let's see here.
right there.
I think they were saying it was about 4 inches.
Yeah, it was.
It's on top.
Mhm. Here. Why don't you
Video?
get in here and help you out?
You want me to film it?
Yeah, okay.
I'm just checking because it's still in there.
Oh,
Is it just looks like lead.
it's a piece of brass. Those always ring up really, really good. Hi.
Yeah, I lost $1,000 coin there a number of years ago.
We'll keep you in mind if we can find it.
Hope it's got your name on it.
Yeah. You're gonna have to dig a little harder than that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's
some weight into it.
Mix it.
There we go. Oh, it's a penny. It is an older penny though, not too old. 73, so it's copper at least. It was a good find. Found the target.
Yep.
I came over here to just double check it.
Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube
Pretty
channel.
solid 80.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Have you started your YouTube channel yet?
Yes.
Do you remember the name of it?
It is Mason Payne. It's a turquoise M.
You might want to get a some sort of logo or something for yourself.
How?
Yeah, you have to make one.
Can I make one tonight?
You can try, yeah. See if you can find it. It's right there. Now get your program.
It's still right there. Hey Josh,
What?
can I can we get like a video of me in the backyard or something?
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's that old, like an old, like bottom of a, I'm not gonna call it Hot Wheels, but a toy car, it looks like. We'll clean it up at the end and see if we can read it, see what it is. Yeah, it does say Hot Wheels. The one I dug, oh yeah, you haven't seen that yet. That's the one I dug. We're gonna do a little wrap up here. We didn't really find anything too spectacular today. We dug a bunch of junk up. Some clad coins for myself. I think the coolest thing I found was that, looks like a top of a button maybe. Old car. See, Mason, you found a couple coins.
Coins.
67 penny.
67 and 63.
I'd say in terms of scrap value, that brass coupling you found is the best. Old Hot Wheel 45 mag. Drew found some Banaka. And some change. Rather fruitless day, I would say, but at least we got
Enjoyable.
out. Yeah, you have fun, Mason?
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, right?
Yep.
Awesome. It's good property. I'm pretty sure that there is some silver in the ground out here. We know there is because Drew's found some, but I'm certain there are more. So maybe we'll get permission to come out here again. Drew's kind enough to invite us back. Thanks for watching.